Hey guys, this is Super Mr. Duct Tape here. I won't be doing a review of duct tape things. I will be doing a review of my Firework Stash. So I'll start off with the comments. I have a silver shrapnel right here, Orange whip, a Venus flytrap, that's the green one. A flower power right here, right next to the beehive, and then I have a beehive here. Whoopsie. Stupid tripod, it's so old. Tarantula. Bonanza. Then I have a solar power, that's probably about 2 feet long, so it's pretty big. Then I'll go on to my cakes. I think that's all of these. I'll do my bigger cakes because my littler cakes are in boxes, so I'll go on to those in a second. I have a Jack of Clubs. That's a pretty big one. That's, I think, 36 shot, or 25. A Menace. That's a awesome one. That's probably my favorite of all time. And most of the people I talk to, they say that's their favorite also. That's a 25 shot. I have a Jack Frost. There you go, Jack Frost. That's a really good one also. Redneck Ruckus. It's not that big, but it's a good one. I have a Monster Mash. Now this Monster Mash is very heavy and very big. It's 100 shot. So that's a big one. I can't wait to light off that. Then here's just a homemade firework. It has sparkler bits and gunpowder and all that. I'll do those littler cakes when I get into those boxes, but I won't do them right now. I'll go into my silver case. It's full of skyrockets. Here, I'll move the tripod so you can see. Right there. It's full of skyrockets, 3-stage skyrockets, and just normal Canadian rockets. I have M80s, M20s, quarter sticks, some dragon eggs that are filled with gunpowder, and up here I have more skyrockets and 3-stage skyrockets. Man, I don't even know what they're called. So that's the silver case. That case I think has almost 15 packages in it. I'm not quite sure because it has, yeah, at least 12 packs of this 3-stage and the Canadian rockets. Now I'll go into my big box. I'll just move the tripod so you can see. Here, I'll move these cakes. 1 second. Okay, now I'll go into my littler cakes. Hectic Hurricane Professional Series. Canadian Salute. Most of you guys know what that is. 150 shot strobing missile. I have 2 Hot Huntress. How many 24 shot Auroras? 1, 2, 3, 4 24 shot Auroras. 1 hot tamale. 3 pearl batteries. The littler style, 24 shot. And then I have 1, 2 hot shots. and one meme machine. Now I'll go into my air bombs and stuff like that. Tin foil. I use that for making smoke bombs. I have screecheroos, a pack of those. Oh. 2 slingshots. They're 16 shot. Never shot one off yet. I don't know if they're good or not. But I guess they are. I don't know. Then I have 1 burning schoolhouse. I have 1 spinning helicopter. Pack of air bombs. Pack of sonic bangers. And a noise assortment. Most of you guys know what that is, but if you don't, it's 2 cherry bombs, an air bomb, and a sonic banger. They're like $2.50, so I said why not. Got a cosmic rain. 2 bang bombs. Then I have this box. It has a whole bunch of dragon eggs, Tasmanian devils, jumping jacks, my lighters, fuses, wigworms, all that kind of stuff. That's that box. Now I'll go into my next box. I have a rave. That's a big, I don't know what you'd call it. I guess I don't even know. Barrage, I guess. A Canadian barrage. Crazy Daisy. Big barrage, I guess. Big cherry blaster. That's a heavy one. 36 shot battery. Crackling party. That's even heavier than the Canadian barrage. This Ghostbuster is massive. Like, this has to be at least 2.5 feet long and weighs at least 2 pounds. Maybe more. Silver Fairy. 25 shot barrage. 3 fireworks flares. A 12 pack of the 10 ball Roman candles. 4 8-ball Roman candles. Screaming Banshee, I mean. 1 loose 10-ball Roman candle. 1 big 13-ball Roman candle. 2 Gold Rush. And a Steel Magnolia. I think that's about it. And a pack of sparklers, a 3-pack, 70 centimeter. Alright, I guess. Classic. Rate, subscribe, comment. Thanks, bye.